Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide rows in Google Sheets. This is a useful feature when you want to temporarily remove certain data from view without actually deleting it, keeping your spreadsheet clean and focused on what matters most. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to hide rows. This will open up your Google Sheets file and display all your data. Take a moment to identify which rows you want to hide, as this will make the next steps much smoother. Now right-click on the row number you want to hide. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Hide Row. Just like that, the selected row will disappear from view. Though it's important to remember that the data isn't deleted, it's simply hidden from sight. This is perfect for decluttering your workspace while keeping all your information intact. But what if you need to hide multiple rows at once? Google Sheets makes this easy too. Simply click on a row number, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on another row you want to hide. This allows you to select non-consecutive rows. Alternatively, if you want to hide a range of consecutive rows, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard instead and select another row. This will highlight all the rows between your first and last selection. Once you've selected all the rows you want to hide, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers. From the menu that appears, click on Hide Rows. All the selected rows will now be hidden from view, giving you a much cleaner and more organized spreadsheet to work with. And that's it. You've successfully hidden rows in Google Sheets, making your data easier to navigate and focus on what's important. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.